lean maintenance. Maximizing efficiency, minimizing downtime. Whether you're managing a production line or maintaining equipment in a plant, lean maintenance can significantly boost efficiency and cut down on waste. Let's unpack this concept from an expert's viewpoint so you can take actionable insights back to your operations. So, lean maintenance, what exactly does it mean? Well, it's rooted in the principles of lean manufacturing, where the focus is on eliminating waste and creating value, but when applied to maintenance, it takes on a proactive approach. Instead of reacting to equipment failures, we shift the focus to preventative and predictive maintenance. Think of it like this, just like taking your car in for regular service to avoid breakdowns. Lean maintenance ensures that machines are checked, serviced, and kept in top condition before issues arise. This means minimizing unplanned downtime and keeping production running smoothly. And the key to this is total productive maintenance, or TM, where the entire team gets involved: operators, technicians, and engineers. Everyone takes ownership of the equipment they work with daily. After all, who better to maintain the machines than those who use them every day? Now let's dive deeper into one of lean maintenance's biggest strengths: reducing waste. Waste here doesn't just mean physical materials. We're talking about things like time, energy, and even the movement of personnel. Lean maintenance identifies 8 types of waste, including overproduction, waiting, unnecessary transportation, overprocessing, excess inventory, motion defects, and used talent. By cutting out these inefficiencies, lean maintenance ensures that every step in the process is purposeful and streamlined, driving greater productivity. Now, it's important to make the distinction between reactive and proactive maintenance. Many companies fall into the trap of reactive maintenance, where they wait for something to break before addressing it. While this approach might get the job done in the short term, it leads to higher costs and unpredictable downtime in the long run. Here's where lean maintenance flips the script. Instead of waiting for breakdowns, it uses condition-based and predictive maintenance. This involves leveraging advanced tools like IoT sensors to monitor real-time data, such as temperature, vibration, or pressure. When anomalies are detected, you can address them before they escalate into full-blown failures. This proactive approach saves time, money, and operational headaches. Now let's talk about the methods that help make lean maintenance more efficient. 2 key techniques are FIVES and Kaizen. Starting with FIVES, sort, set, and order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It's a workplace organization method designed to create clean, efficient workspaces where tools and parts are easy to find, reducing time spent on maintenance tasks. Then there's Kaizen, which is all about continuous improvement. In a lean maintenance setting, this means constantly reviewing processes, maintenance schedules, tool management, and technician training, and making small but consistent improvements. It's a never-ending cycle of optimizing what's already in place. Of course, lean maintenance wouldn't be complete without modern technology. Tools like computerized maintenance management systems are integral to planning and tracking maintenance activities. CMMS helps you schedule tasks, track spare parts, and manage equipment histories. It centralizes everything so you know when and what needs to be done without any surprises. And with the rise of industrial IoT, things have only improved. Real-time monitoring of equipment health is now possible through sensors that continuously track performance. This data feeds directly into predictive maintenance strategies, allowing you to foresee potential failures and fix them before they disrupt your operations. To truly gauge how effective lean maintenance is, you need to track some key performance indicators, or KPIs. The most important ones to watch include mean time between failures. A higher MTBF means your equipment is running longer between breakdowns, which is great for reliability. Mean time to repair, how quickly you can fix an issue. The lower this number, the more efficient your maintenance response is. Overall equipment effectiveness. This combines 3 crucial factors: availability, performance, and quality. If your OEE is high, your maintenance and operational processes are hitting their targets. By keeping track of these KPIs, you can continuously improve and fine-tune your lean maintenance strategies, ensuring that you're operating at peak efficiency. In summary, lean maintenance isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategic approach to equipment care that transforms the way businesses operate. Be sure to apply these techniques to see real improvements in your own operations.